Hey guys, welcome back. So today this is just going to be a short video on how I curl my hair with the Nume one. It's the 1-inch barrel. It's just a basic video on how I get some wave in my hair. So I'm just starting off with small sections, not too small, but small sections, and I'm just wrapping the barrel backwards. I'm using the Biosilk heat protectant just to protect the hair and also to give it a little bit of a stickiness to stick to the barrel, because sometimes when your hair is super clean it'll slide right off the barrel, and I feel like when you spray it with a little heat protectant it kind of like gives it like a little bit of a tackiness just to be able to stick to the barrel so it doesn't slide straight off. But this is just basically what I do when I have one of those days where I don't want to wear my hair straight. And a lot of the times I do wear my hair straight, but when there's just days where I just feel like giving my hair a little wave and making it look a little nicer, this is what I'll do. I'll go in with this wand or a curling iron or whatever, and I'll go ahead and just give my hair some movement. So with me today, all I'm doing is just basically taking the curls backward. You can go forward, but I am trying to curl my hair to where the curls are going away from the face instead of going toward the face. So it's all personal preference. You can curl your hair however you want when it comes to using the wand or whatever it is that you're going to use to curl your hair. But me personally, I like for the wave or the curl to go away from the face.
In depression, they think I'm moron. I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well end still on that. It's the only thing that I fucking do.
Alright guys, this is the way I give my hair some body, because, sorry, that was my comb. But this is the way I give my hair some body. And then I don't really spray it with hairspray, because this Biosilk thermal care, it kind of like acts like a heat protectant and hairspray in one. So that's what I like about it. I'm already like out. I'm down to like the very bottom, so I'm gonna have to go pick up another one. And if you guys know how the Biosilk smells, the shampoo and conditioner, this smells exactly like that. So this is pretty much it. That's how I curl my hair when I want a little bit of wave in it. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.